According to reports, activists from Zanu PF are being accused of setting fire to a member of the opposition CCC's home. The reason? Allegedly, this brave individual spoke out against corruption on Studio 7 radio. Now let that sink in for a moment. Someone's home, their sanctuary, was burned to the ground just because they had the courage to speak up. This isn't just a random act of violence. It's a glaring example of the risks faced by those who dare to advocate for a better Zimbabwe. The CCC has come forward, condemning this heinous attack. They've called for immediate police action, demanding protection for citizens who are fighting against corruption and the exploitation of our country's resources by the elites. It's a bold stance, but one that's absolutely necessary if we want to see real change. Imagine living in constant fear, because you chose to stand up for what's right. Imagine worrying that your home could be destroyed simply because you dared to voice your opinion. This is the reality for many Zimbabweans today. Corruption has long been a thorn in the side of progress in our nation, and when people like this CCC member try to expose it, they become targets. The CCC's call for police action isn't just about punishing those responsible for this act of arson. It's about sending a message that violence and intimidation have no place in a democratic society, that every citizen has the right to speak out against injustice without fear of retribution. Stay informed and spread the word about incidents like this. Ignorance and apathy only serve to empower those who would use fear to silence us. This incident in Hurungwe is a stark reminder of the challenges we face. But it's also a call to action. A call to stand up, speak out, and demand a better Zimbabwe for all. Thank you for listening. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep fighting the good fight.